Well, I know you can. Thank you. New Year. This is my. I want to say 3,000. I saw it in the market. I want to cook my. Is everything now more?
You got it on too.
Wow. It's beautiful. Oh, for something hot nights. Hey, beautiful people. Let's unpack. Sorry if you're hearing noise. That's my fridge. Let's unpack what I bought for the new year. This is my. I wanted to buy this other set. If you know this set, you know the one I'm talking about. I wanted to buy this one, but they didn't have it. So I told my friend she got this one for me. Then I got watermelon. I got small cucumber. You can imagine. Guess how much this bell pepper is. This yellow one, 3,000 naira. I said 3,000. I saw it in the market in shopping mall. Two of this for 4,000 something. I was like, okay, that in the market was going to be better, but it wasn't funny at all. This 315, this 1,000, this peas 500. I want to cook chicken curry sauce. I'm tired of jollof rice, fried rice, whatever. So this carrot is 2,000, 1 kilo. This is sweet corn. I want to understand why sweet corn stays how many years to expire. The normal market I go to, I can buy the normal sweet corn the corn that they've removed from the cone. I don't want to be buying this anymore. I want to limit can things. So tell me what preservative they put, and this thing stays for like 3 years, 2028. It's not even fun. I got pineapple. I'm going to be doing smoothie. I wanted to buy dates and the rest, but I got now there's no shopping without going to the mall. I want to try this macaroni. I want to cook macaroni and chicken curry sauce for New Year. So that's what I want to buy. So that's basically that. This is pepper 500. The pepper I bought for like, I don't since October I've not bought pepper. And I went to the market, I just realized that I went to the market, I didn't know it was the street market. See the crate in the game for 500 naira because my cash didn't even finish. I wasn't in the mood. Then I restocked my skincare product. So that's basically the buy for today. I just want to cool off. And there's another thing I bought. Yes, let me show you guys. I don't like rice. I don't like rice. You know which for this rice from Kilimanjaro. Jesus, this rice is everything and more. They are beefy rice. So that's what I bought. I got with chicken. They didn't have the grilled chicken, so I got fried chicken and scotch egg. How much is scotch egg in your area? How much is scotch egg in your area? One cost 700. So most of the online food vendors, they close for the year, and I want to buy pastries. Not yet to buy pastry or cake. But let's see. My husband comes back. Let's see how I'm gonna do it. So, hey guys, this is just basically the New Year vlog. Yes. So I'll see you guys in 2026. Yes. Let me rest so that I can join online Pastor Jerry's crossover. We are going to pray and take charge of our 2026. You should do same, you understand, and make sure you join the New Year fast that is going to come up. So thank you guys for watching. Thank you for all the support in 2025. See you guys in 2026. Bye. Mwah. This is our menu for today, and gastron for plenty cereal and coleslaw that's in the fridge. So I have few visitors coming to just one person. That's why this is 3 cups of rice, 2 macaroni, and Happy New Year! Happy New Year, look like a mess. I'll see you guys later. Lamborghini, blue Medina, always beaming, rag top, chrome pipes, blue lights out of sight. Long way, so in, say it again, so in, make that money, throw it in, booty bouncing, go ahead. Happy New Year once again, beautiful people. This is a sign that you should go out often this year. Welcome to 2026, our year of Thanksgiving and ease. Yes. This is just me. Okay, I went out with my husband to a cafe. We went out. This is not the first outing this year, Sha. This is like the second. So, we just went out to relax. I wore this comfortable two-piece. It's an Adiwe outfit, Adiwe fabric. It feels so cool on the skin. So, I thought vlog for you guys so that you all will see what I've been up to for the new year. This is just typically a new year vlog, and another one for the new year strategy will be dropping very soon. So, how do you want your year to be? How do you intend to run your family, your life, your career, whatever it is that you have this year, whatever your plan is? Do you have a vision board yet? Do you have a vision board yet? Or do you have whatever it is that you pen down you want your year to be? Don't give yourself unnecessary timelines. Don't create unnecessary, unrealistic goals. Do it with ease. Remember, it's a year of Thanksgiving and ease. So at this point, our order was here. We ordered for Oreos puff puff. I've not had that before, so I thought to try it out. Are you among the people that when you go out, you order rice, order pasta, order swallow? I'm not a fan of that. If I go out, basically, I try to order things that I wouldn't have on a normal day. So on the menu, we just had waffle. It was like a breakfast bistro, so you don't really see all them plenty things there. So it's basically breakfast stuffs and the rest. So I had waffles with chicken. My husband had chicken and chips. I had my pina colada. We ordered some chicken wings. At the end of the day, we couldn't even finish it. We packed up some things. So we were just gisting, chatting, and all. Just talking about several things. Because when you go with your husband, try not to talk about family problems. Try not to talk about children, bills, career, business. Just talk about something extra things, but not these things that I just mentioned. It will help you relax, enjoy the moment, and don't press phone when you go out. If you want to press, just take the pictures and leave it, but don't press phone. Do you hear me? Yes. In this place, let me even shock you guys, there was no television. They said you should entertain yourself like in the 1995. That means you should talk to each other. So these people are actually advocates of intimacy. Talk to your spouse. Be in the moment when you come out to eat good food, because they say make memories over the table. So this was just basically us, nothing much, chatting. He was telling me about cars, how Hyundai is not of a good, doesn't have second-hand value. Sorry, I was just laughing. So just enjoy, watch, and don't forget to subscribe, guys. At this point, I think we're almost done our food. I was a bellyful girl. I didn't finish what I ordered. It was nice, though. This period has really been a big relief. Without the kids around, it's really been a relief. This is a sign that if you cannot afford to travel out for the celebration, or you cannot afford to go to anywhere exclusively, just if you have somewhere you can bundle your children to, bundle them. Because at the end of the day, it's you and your husband against the world. The two of you were there before the children came, so why not make our time for yourself? So at this point, we were done with our meal. Were we done? They've packed our meal. We are ready to go. So I just took water to wash down everything. And at the end of the day, we called it a day. We headed home and that was it. So thank you guys for watching. If you watched to this point, thank you so much. Don't forget to like. Hey beautiful people, how are you all doing? Happy New Year! Yes, let me say Happy New Year once again, because this year is going to be a year of Thanksgiving and ease by the special grace of God. You're not going to labor too much. You're going to work smart this year. There's a difference between working hard and working smart. Hope you know. We work smart and we'll see better results this year. We are not going to die this year. Death shall never come near our dwelling place. Affliction shall not rise again second time. This year, 2026, is a year of unmerited favor, good tidings, better opportunities, unmerited favors. Our name, our business name, our career will be a household name. It will be sung. Our praise will be sung in people's mouths this year. People are saying there's a casting down. There's definitely going to be a lifting up for you and your household this year. Key into this year's New Year prayers and see God's abundance manifest in your household. Thank you guys for the love so far. Thank you guys for the love so far. Thank you for 2025, for people that followed me, for people that joined the channel, people that commented, watched, supported this girl in one way or the other. Chika Okuta is super beautiful. Let's do better this year. By God's grace, I want to be monetized by 2026. So please, if you come across my videos, please like, please share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. So this ministry will get to the permanent site. If you're new here, welcome. We'll do family, lifestyle, vlogs, faith, marriage, everything in between. Anything you can ever think of, we'll bring it here. So do well to join. This amazing family and follow us grow. Okay, I've been on YouTube since 2022, though I've not been consistent, but yeah, last year and this year, by God's grace, I'll continue to do the Lord's work, and hopefully it's a youth food at the end of the day with you guys. Okay, thank you. And if you watched to this point, just comment Happy New Year. Let us know that you watched from the beginning to the end. Okay, so I love you guys so much. Thank you so much. I can't thank you guys enough, because without you there won't be Chika Okuta's channel. Okay, if you watched to this point, just comment Happy New Year. Comment Happy New Year in the comments so that I know that you watched from the beginning to the end. Okay, the next video promises to be an interesting one, by God's grace. Our strategy for 2026. If you don't have a vision board, if you don't have a blueprint for how you want your year to be, this could be a guide for you. So you could buckle up, you understand? So look out for that video, and when it drops, show the girl some love. Okay, thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to like, don't forget to share, and don't forget to subscribe. I will see you all in my next video. Bye. Mwah. We'll post our normal time, Sundays 6 p.m. West African time. So do well.